Hey, Mark here. I'm going to show you real quick how to use the reputation management software that we have here and how it's been helping our business. So when you log into the software, it's kind of what it looks like on the left-hand side here. You'll click on reputation and we'll help you get this all set up, but we just want to show you kind of how it's working for our business and how it's helping us get reviews and how to use it here. Just a quick overview. So go on the top here and you can see the people that requested. You can send out a message. So if we want to send out a new one, you type in send a request and you type in their name or their phone number. And if it's already in the database from your contact form on your website, or you've already done business with them, we've uploaded, or you've had some type of conversation through the chat widget that's on your website, their information will already be in here. So you just type in their name and it'll find them, and then you can send a message, I guess, through email or SMS. It depends how you want to do that. So that's how you do that. And you just hit send review request and it goes out right away. And the next part here is the reviews. And when a review comes in from your Google business page, it'll come in here and then you can reply with AI if we have it turned on for you. So it'll help you write a message and you can teach AI to talk and sound like you. That's where they come in here. Then we put a widget also on your website that will then pull in your reviews and you can display them on your website without having to re-upload and say you get a new review today. You don't have to contact your web designer. They'll automatically be pulled into the web page that you have this widget displaying on. Listing, we're not going to go over that today. And then your settings is where you can teach AI to sound like you. So right now I created this agent, Mark AI agent, and you can go in here, click edit. I have it to sound like me somewhat here, keep it professional, different tones that you can use. And here you can see kind of the message that I had, reply as Mark the owner, reply back to the response, keep it under 2 sentences. So that's kind of how I have that. I have it set to respond to reviews 23 hours afterwards, so it doesn't look like it's instant. And this will respond for me on my behalf, because I know as a business owner you can get busy and sometimes you don't have enough time to go through all that. But as long as you are responding to your reviews, that helps a little bit with getting found in Google, because it shows that you're on top of things. And you can always come back in and edit it manually if you don't like what it wrote. Then the other part is sending out the review link. We connect that with your Google business page. So that allows you then, when you come in to send a SMS text message, we can upload your business logo, a default message here, what it's gonna say. So then when you do that request back here to your customers through the app using Lead Connector, or through this mobile, or through the desktop app here that we're showing today, you can do either one on your phone or through desktop. It has a preset message here that's going to use the field here that we set up, so it uses their name, and then it sends the link that we just showed back here on the review link. So you don't have to retype a message every time you're going to send a review request to a customer. You just hit that button back here, request review, on the Lead Connector app or within the desktop app here, and it'll just send it out a text message to that customer or an email, depending on how we set this up. I have it just set up that it'll try twice. So if I send this out to one of my customers, it'll hit their phone with a text message, and then it waits 3 days and sends another one on my behalf, so I don't have to come in here and do it again. And then you can set up the email review requests. We got QR code, and those are kind of just the main things. And then it gives you stats, so you can always come back and check and see how you're doing, how many reviews you've gotten. You can see the last months and how many you're asking and all that. And so this is just the one phase. And then the other part is that we can set up automation. So we can connect with your QuickBooks software or Jobber or whoever you're using for doing your billing. We import the CSV file, and then every time you send out an invoice, we can have the system that will automatically send a review on your behalf, either through an email or a text message or both. And then we can automate it to ask them again in a couple days if they don't respond or don't open that email or that text message. So those are some things that kind of help you stay in front of your customers, and we know that local reviews on Google help all businesses get found better. So hopefully this video today was helpful, and if you're interested in something like this, reach out. Also leave comments down below what type of business you have, how you're trying to get new reviews, and we'd love to hear from you guys. All right, thanks.